Hi, I'm Dan, and this is my wife Bree, along with our two dogs, Penny and Bella. For the last 12 years, we have traveled the west coast of the USA and the north and the south islands of New Zealand. We have found ourselves after 19 moves here in South Lake Tahoe, where we have bought a home, and we feel very fortunate to be here. Please come along and enjoy our adventures. Welcome to Tahoe Mountain Life. Bird song. You know the storm, at least this one's over. Check out the peaks and desolation back there. It's just beautiful. Well, I guess we weren't quite done with the storm. I think mainly because of the winds. Looks like another, in places, 4 to 6 inches have blown into the drive. The road, I gotta go to work this morning. Oh yeah, the road will be fine. Aren't as crazy as last night, but they're still pretty good gusts. Alright, we're going to get the snowblower fired up, we're going to get the truck fired up, and get ready to get out of here for work. Alright, we're out of here, heading to work. We had the big loader come back, at least for a third swipe, to kind of clean things up a bit better and try to make the road a little bit wider, but you can kind of see still there's plenty of places where it's drifted back in like this right here. Berms were absolutely horrible. They just, I think because the bottom layer of all of this snow was so heavy and slushy that everything immediately, it didn't matter how quickly you got to it, everything just went into big chunks of ice balls basically, or ice boulders would be a more accurate term. Yeah, it's definitely pretty much a single lane road at this point. First time seeing blue sky for I think 3 or 4 days. It kind of got a little hard to remember how long it was, but it's beautiful out. As expected, Pioneer Trail is in great condition. Just gonna head down to this little cul-de-sac. It's one of my favorite places just to stop by. It has beautiful views into the meadow, if you can see over these berms. You can hear the bird song. You know the storm, at least this one's over. Just a beautiful morning out. These trees held on to the snow a little bit better. I think it's just because we're on such exposed ridge, we just lose all our snow. So I'll be curious to see how busy it is around town today. I'm guessing anyone who could get these next couple days off has, and it will be headed up the hill to try to ski. Unfortunately for me, I gotta head to work, but we'll be back out next weekend, probably in the backcountry if the conditions have improved enough. It's interesting, a little bit of flooding here. Must have one of the drains that's plugged. Some of these places that are really tight together, it's the same thing obviously last year, but it's really hard to find a place to put the snow. Lots of ravens here. What are you guys doing? Here we are coming towards the Heavenly Village and the casinos. Check out the peaks and desolation back there. It's just beautiful. It is a beautiful morning out.